You got it? I get the bonus on Space Chickens. Lazy chicken. All right, here we go. Big numbers. Big multipliers. Come on. Where's those multipliers at? Want some multipliers? Come on. Oh, don't do that. Oh, there we go. That's been. Oops. Oh, I'll take that. Okay. Okay. Let's do more of that. More of that. Multipliers, where you at? Stop it. Be nice. Okay. Heck yeah. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Yay. All right. More right here. Yes. Yeah. I'll take that. Holy shit. Yeah. Okay, do another one again. Oh, nice. 3 over here. That's cool. Okay, space chickens. There you go.
Come on.
Again, yes.
Yeah.
All right, that's pretty. Disgusting. Let's do more of that. Hey, no bad juju from you.
Hey, it always gives you better luck.
See what you did? Don't do that.
Sorry.
Oh, there we go. All right. That doesn't count as an egg though. But I'll take the multiplier. Put another one in here. Alright. I need one right here or right here? Right here. Right? Alright. What is that?
Oh, that's a green one.
What?
You got the other one. Yeah.
More room for fun. More room for activities. Oh my goodness. All right, let's do this. Oh, I get the instant win too? Oh my goodness.
Instant win, yeah.
All right. Got it. All right. Oh my gosh.
Got a win right there.
Heck yeah. Multipliers. All right. Oh, do it. Oh.
We still got 2 more spins. Basically made the major.
Here we go, last spin. Ready? And fill it up.
There too, right there.
That would have been the jackpot.
That would have been the grand, yes. I'll take it. I can't complain about that.
No, you cannot.
What? Oh, we still get to collect them all?
Yeah.
What?
Probably made the grand.
Go Space Chickens! Go Space Chickens! Yay! That was amazing! That was amazing.
Yeah, I bet.
Woohoo! That's amazing.
And it wasn't big enough for an attendee.
Oh, not yet. That's 2,000 now.
Oh, nice.
Winner, chicken dinner!